Hello everyone, welcome to a new video, and in this opportunity we are going to show you how to customize your AutoCAD 2025 to the AutoCAD Classic mode. Let's start. When we open our AutoCAD 2025, we can see that it's only have three interface by default. So I want to change and customize to the AutoCAD Classic. To do that, we need to go to this menu bar and we click Show Menu Bar, go to Tools and go to the toolbars, AutoCAD, and you can see that all the palettes that we are has been using in the old version from AutoCAD are in this palette. For example, if I want to add the modified palette, we can do that, and we can customize our interface. For example, if I want to add the draw palette, we can include in this lateral, or if I want to add the layers, we can add in this way. We have these layers here too, but it's more comfortable to some users have the palette in any way, any place from the interface. For example, I want to add another layer or another toolbar. For example, modify to, we can add this way. From all the palettes that we need to this project or we want to add in our interface. For example, the viewport here. And if we want to erase or delete some, what we need to do, we just need to do is click in this. The most important is when I want to save our customized interface. So we need to go to the configuration of workspace switching. We go to save as current, and we can write AutoCAD Classic, and if you see, this configuration has been already saved in our interface. I change the spacing model. You see that our configuration is not here, but I want to go to AutoCAD Classic, and my palettes have been saved in this interface. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you like, and don't forget to follow us in our channel. We are uploading several information from your projects and your activities. See you next video.